Hi, I'm Marna, and this is a Dolls Rescue Channel. I have a few projects going on this morning. Robert's getting a new face, and my curvy Barbie is getting a black wedding dress. Ooh, I shouldn't do that because this has this glittery stuff, and I don't want that on Robert's face. But I really like this skirt, and I'm going to have a DIY with it. And I'm working on the swimsuit collab that I'm doing with Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley, and this is with J Dolls UK, and this is for another collab. And we have a Pink Blythe apart that is getting new eye chips. And usually I do have several projects all going on at the same time on my counter. So I thought, what a perfect time. I told you that we should take this outfit take this outfit and put it in water and see how this glue holds. I had made this last month for the Nautical collab that was hosted by Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. Woo! And anyway, I said I would like to see what happens if we soak this in water a minute. The directions say that this fabric glue that I put this whole outfit together with, including and not limited to the Velcro that I put on here, that's glued too. And I thought, what if I got some tepid water? Let's push this pink doll this way a little bit. I put the clock here. I figured 10 minutes. And then we would test it. The water is tepid. It is not cold. It is not hot. I want the hem and everything in there. I got a butter knife out to push it all in the water. Look at the clock. Let me get this water away from my projects. Let's let this sit. So Darren put my little Blythe doll back together. Here's what we have done. I gave her 2 cords thanks to Beth Ramsden. You can look on her website. I don't know if she's selling that cord or not, but what I had done was give her new eyelashes. We gave her the sleepy eyes, meaning 2 pull strings. We took the spring out, and we also added new chips. I think it's cute. I just grabbed her a dress. These dolls are smaller than the other Blythes, so the clothes fit them a little differently. You can see this is baggy. I like it to fit a little tighter. I will be making her something. I don't know if I've shown you these, or if I actually have shown this, but if you haven't seen this before, these little dolls, Blythe dolls, this is, I don't get a dime for telling this, but they're on AliExpress. They are less than $10. They have the usual articulation. They also have it at the waist, and they click once in the heels. I think they are...
Knees.
What did I say? Heels?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, knees. I don't know my body parts. Anyway, I'm going to stand her, and we're going to get this outfit out of the water and see what happens. Here we are, a distracted amount of time away from when we started. Let me move my projects out of the way so that these do not get wet. I would not be happy. And let's pull these out of the water and see what happens. All right, now that got a little white on the back side of the Velcro, but it's holding. It's holding. Let's check the seam. Little loose, but it's not coming apart. Let's check the elastic on this one and the back seam and the hem. The hem's holding really well. Wow. And can you see it up close? There is no sign of glue like there was here. You can see that, but you know, all right, I'm heavy-handed, probably made a mess there and not on the hem. Well, I can't imagine I didn't. All right, I'm tugging on that seam. It is not coming. I'm not yanking, but I am tugging on it. Let's see what happens when I pull this. Oh, ta-da. Okay, I would recommend that, now I'm gonna have to put this on a towel to dry. I would recommend, I have been recommending the fabric glue. I buy it at Walmart. What is it called? I'll have to look. I'll have Darren put it in the bottom. I would use this. I use this when I'm in a hurry or I have several projects going, but it is fast. Actually, it's not that much faster. Okay, actually it is faster. But what I like about it is I start a project like I do, like for the tops. I'll do my edges and then walk away, do something else, come back, do my seams, come back, and then do my Velcro. And it's all dry within a reasonable amount of time, and I think it worked out. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Let me know, do you work on multiple projects at a time? Does your table look like this? It's fun, I'm telling you, and I kind of go from one project to the next. I will be getting some beads out and looking at the back of her strings while I'm painting Robert's face. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe.